year is 2014, and mankind have civilly engineered our world into what we see today. Wouldn't you like to have a say in what your world would look like 20 years from now? Now the real question is, what is civil engineering?
Excuse me, sir. Can I ask you one question?
Sure.
What is civil engineering?
I have no idea. I don't know what that is.
Why?
Uh, I didn't learn it, I guess, or they didn't teach it to me in school. I have no idea.
Oh, can I ask you a quick question? Do you guys know what civil engineering is?
No, sorry.
Never heard.
Civil engineering? As far as, do you know what engineering is?
Yes.
Yeah, of
yes.
course. I
A
know
kind of
engineering.
science. A kind of science.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Do you know what civil engineering is?
No, I do not.
Why?
I'm not studying civil engineering.
Can I ask you one question?
Sure, go ahead.
Yes. Do you know what civil engineering is?
I do not know what civil engineering is.
Cool. One question.
Sure.
What is civil engineering?
It's engineering.
10 out of the 10 people interviewed did not know what civil engineering is within the University of New Haven. That's 10 out of 10. Where can we find the work of a civil engineer? Easy, let's explore. Engineers design, develop, create, and innovate the entire world around us. You may not realize it, but civil engineering is found everywhere, such as the national monument that was dedicated to us, known as the Statue of Liberty. The Brooklyn Bridge. Without the help of civil engineers, all the infrastructures we see today would not exist. That means New York City would not be New York City. So make the impact on millions of lives. Wouldn't you like to change the world? Have the option to implement on better roadways. As a civil engineer, the possibilities are endless. Civil engineering also focuses on subjects such as environmental engineering, water resources. There are still 78 million people that lack access to clean water, but you can be the one to help change this. Civil engineers have mastered the art of transportation, such as train stations and airports. And no matter how you want to paint your world, let's paint a better picture by choosing civil engineering. And if you feel engineering is not the career for you, there is always a plan B.